Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the materials. Test strips or liquid reagents, a clean sampling bottle, gloves, and a shaded workspace. Rinse the sample bottle with pool water 3 times, then fill it from a depth of about chest height, or around 6 to 12 inches below the surface, and at least 3 feet away from the edge or return jets. Avoid direct sunlight while testing. Bright UV can alter colorimetric readings. Keep notes of date, time, water temperature, and recent chemical additions for accurate tracking. If using strips, dip a strip into the sample for 2 seconds, shake off excess, then hold the strip flat and wait 15 seconds to compare colors to the chart. For liquid reagent kits, add exactly 3 drops of the first reagent, cap and invert gently, then add 3 drops of the next reagent as directed, mixing between steps. Read colors against the comparator. Always determine free chlorine first, then combined chlorine, and finally pH. Record each value immediately, noting units. Parts per million, ppm, for chlorine and standard pH scale. Interpret results against target ranges. Free chlorine ideally 1 to 3 ppm, combined chlorine under 0, 2 ppm, and pH between 7, 2 and 7, 8. If free chlorine reads below 1 ppm, calculate pool volume and add a shock dose, typically 1 pound of granular chlorine per 10,000 gallons as a starting guideline, or follow product instructions. Circulate water for at least 30 minutes. If combined chlorine exceeds 0.2 ppm, superchlorinate to breakpoint. Always retest after 30 minutes and again at 24 hours, recording changes and repeating adjustments until values stabilize.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.